Hello class. In this packet tracer, we will configure the Inter-Vlan using router-on-stick method. We will configure this network based on this information. First, we need to configure the IP addresses of these PCs. As practice, we assign the first IP address to the switch, and then second to the PC, and last to the router's G01 interface, which serves as the PC's gateway. So we can now click the PC1. And this is 192.168.10.2, and then we copy paste, then closed. Then next we click the desktop IP configuration, then the IP address of the second PC, which belongs to VLAN 20. So this is 192.168.20.254. Close. Now that we have configured the PC's IP address, the next step is to configure the switch. Okay. So we click the switch, CLI, and then we type conft, configure terminal. Then next we create VLAN. So based on this information, we type VLAN 10. Then we name the VLAN. Oops, sorry. Name pula. And then VLAN 20. Name azul. Okay. So next we move the interfaces to their respective VLANs. Okay, so and okay, by typing do show VLAN. Okay, so you would see the VLANs already created. However, the interfaces of FA01 and FA02 still belongs to VLAN 1. So now we need to move the interfaces. Okay, we can move them by typing int fa0/1. Okay, then switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, now for shortcut, you can use the arrow up, then press the backspace, arrow up, enter, arrow up, and then this is for VLAN 20. Okay. Again, by typing show VLAN, you can see the VLANs are created and the interface port are now in their respective VLAN. Do show VLAN. Okay, so there you go. Now FA01 belongs to VLAN 10, name pula, and then FA02 to VLAN 20, which is azul. Okay, next is we need to configure the router sub interface. Okay, so we need to configure the router's interface. We need to click the router. Okay, so we close this, then we click the router, same CLI, and then we type enable, short for enable, then conft, configure terminal. Okay, so we need to configure the sub interface along with their encapsulation.1q and IP addresses. So based on this information, okay, so we type int g0/1.10 encapsulation or enca d10.1q10, then the IP address 192.168.10.254, which serves as the PC's gateway, followed by the subnet mask 255.255.0, Okay. And then same, you can also use the arrow up. Okay. Then backspace for VLAN 20, arrow up, that one Q20. And then the IP address, you can press the arrow left, then backspace for. And then next, after configuring this interface, we then type the exit and then type int G0/1. Then we type no shutdown. As you can see, the interfaces are now up. Okay. Now that we are done configuring the sub interface, we need to go back to the switch interface G01 and ensure that this is set to trunking by typing int G01 and then switch port mode trunk. So let's do that. So uh, we go back to switch and then we type int G0/1, then short for switch port mode trunk. Okay, so as you can see, the interfaces are now up. So lastly, we can check whether the PC can reach out the other PC by pinging PCs vice versa. Okay, so let's check. Pick the and then we ping whether this PC is able to reach the router. Yes, successful. What about the other PC to the router? Yes. Therefore, this PC can now reach vice versa. Okay, okay, I hope you learned something today. And like I said, practice makes perfect. Okay, thank you.